Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a cycle of procrastination and excuses? Or perhaps you've set ambitious goals, but staying consistent feels like a battle you can't win? Here's the truth. Self-discipline isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. And today, I'm here to help you do just that. In this video, we'll uncover 5 powerful habits that can transform the way you approach discipline. These habits aren't just theoretical. They're practical, actionable, and backed by psychology. Whether you want to improve your fitness, level up your career, or simply feel more in control of your life, these habits will become your stepping stones to success. Let's get started. 1. Set clear, actionable goals. Self-discipline starts with clarity. When your goals are vague, your actions tend to follow suit. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I will work out for 30 minutes, 3 times a week. Why this works? Clear goals create a mental roadmap. According to studies, when you break big goals into smaller, actionable steps, it reduces overwhelm and increases your chances of success. How to implement? Use tools like SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, to define what you're aiming for. Write them down and revisit them regularly to keep your motivation intact. 2. Build micro-habits. Big changes don't happen overnight. Instead, they're the result of small, consistent actions. This is where micro-habits come in. What are micro-habits? These are tiny, manageable actions that you can integrate into your daily routine. For example, instead of committing to an hour of reading, start with just 5 minutes. The science. According to behavioral experts, microhabits reduce resistance because they seem too small to fail. Over time, they compound into significant results. Pro tip: identify a trigger for your habits. For instance, if you want to meditate daily, link it to an existing routine, like brushing your teeth or making coffee. 3. Master the art of delayed gratification. In a world of instant rewards, think social media likes, fast food, and binge-worthy shows. It's easy to fall into the trap of short-term pleasures, but self-discipline thrives on the ability to delay gratification. Example, let's say you're saving money. Instead of impulsively buying the latest gadget, remind yourself of the bigger reward, financial freedom, or that dream vacation. How to develop this skill? Use techniques like the 10-minute rule. When tempted by something impulsive, wait 10 minutes. This creates a pause, giving your logical brain a chance to catch up with your emotional impulses. 4. Create a routine and stick to it. Routines are the backbone of self-discipline. When you establish a routine, you eliminate decision fatigue, the mental exhaustion that comes from making too many choices. Why this matters? Decision fatigue is real. When your brain is bombarded with decisions, it's more likely to default to easy, undisciplined behaviors. How to start? Design a morning and evening routine that sets you up for success. For example, your morning routine might include 10 minutes of journaling, 20 minutes of exercise, and a healthy breakfast. 5. Learn to embrace discomfort. Here's a hard truth. Growth happens outside of your comfort zone. Self-discipline often means choosing what's hard in the moment to achieve something meaningful in the long run. Mindset shift. Instead of fearing discomfort, reframe it as a sign of progress. When you push through challenges, you're strengthening your discipline muscle. Practical tip: start small. Challenge yourself with manageable discomforts, like waking up 30 minutes earlier or saying no to dessert. Over time, your tolerance for discomfort will grow. There you have it, 5 habits to build unshakable self-discipline. Remember, discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself, even when it's hard. If you're ready to take control of your life, start with just one of these habits today. Progress is better than perfection, and every small step you take is a step closer to becoming the disciplined, unstoppable version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more actionable tips on personal growth and success. And now, I want to hear from you. Which of these habits are you going to start with? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.